It is 5:30 p.m. We will call this meeting to order.
This was their last school board meeting where Vancouver Public Schools Superintendent Jeff Snell introduced the idea of adjusting school start times.
There's a number of reasons why we're considering this at this point.
The lack of bus drivers available, and
the other reason is a lot of compelling research related to our high school students and adolescents and their sleep and those needs, and also mental health.
It is just after 7:30 in the morning here at Fort Vancouver High School. High school has started. But if the school board passes their proposal to adjust the start times, high school here, for instance, would start at 8:40, giving kids a little extra time to sleep in. The American Academy of Pediatrics says both high school and middle school students need at least 8 to 9 hours of sleep. More sleep means improved physical and mental health, safety, and academic performance. A study found that students with a delayed start time were also less likely to be involved in a fatigue-caused car crash.
Having taught high school and my husband teaching high school, honestly, attendance early on in the day is just really poor. Kids have a hard time getting there and they're super sleepy, so they just have a hard time engaging in meaningful instruction and discussion and that kind of thing, versus later in the day they just have an easier time.
With high school starting later at 8:40, elementary schools would adjust their time starting at 8:10, 20 minutes earlier.
That actually might give me a little more time to get to work. She'd have to go to bed earlier, but I could make it work.
The district says that would free up more bus drivers.
With our elementary students being the first run in the morning and the first run in the afternoon, that frees up all those drivers. That's our largest run of the day, to provide the extracurricular transportation.
Middle schools would start 30 minutes later, moving from 9 to 9:30. Of course, an adjusted start time also means either an earlier or later release time, depending on the school. Vancouver is one of the earlier districts in the area. Camas, Evergreen, and even Portland High Schools start at or after 8:30. And because this impacts parents just as much, the district says it'll make a decision by the end of this month. So if it does pass, it'll give parents time to adjust before the next school year.